Do you love Barbie? Then you're gonna love our Barbie-inspired looks. If you love these hacks, please give us a thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel for all of our latest hacks. First look. For this look, you'll need to start with some foundation. Then get a palette because we're gonna have some fun. With a light brown shade, trace lines on both sides of your nose. Then with some white powder, trace on the bridge of your nose. You'll also want to add the white powder to your eyelids. It looks so pretty already. Now get some purple eyeshadow and apply it to the crease of both eyes. Make it nice and round, then blend it in. Take some blue eyeliner to accent the creases. Get some sparkly blue eyeshadow and apply it with some black eyeshadow. Separate the pink and white sections and bend it back to your eye in a line that will then form your eyeliner. Look at that! So pretty already! Get your white eyeliner and apply it below your eye. Fix up your eyebrows with the right color eyeshadow. Then grab some fake eyelashes and apply them as directed. Make sure you position them properly and have them equal on both sides. Wow, so pretty! Now take another package of fake eyelashes and cut them up to add them on part of your bottom lid. This will highlight your beautiful eyes. So pretty! Don't forget to add the blush to have Barbie's rosy cheeks. And apply some Barbie pink lip gloss to your lips. So awesome! You're ready for any party. Second look. Apply some primer and then some foundation all over. Get your trusty white eyeliner and outline the bottom of your eyes and part of the top. Draw out those defined corners, then trace below that with some dark blue eyeliner. Grab some liquid eyeliner and define the blue eyeliner section with it. Keep tracing with the liquid eyeliner until you finish the top part. Use an eyelash curler to bend those lashes back and apply some mascara on them. Now apply some bright pink lip gloss to those lips. is a beautiful look, and it took so little to create such an awesome look. And now for a Barbie-worthy hairdo. Put your hair in a high ponytail and make a braid in front of your face. Braid a third of the way, then split the end in two. Keep one end for later and brush out the end you're working on. Then braid that part. Tie the end with an elastic and tuck it behind your ear. Do the same on the other side. Now fasten both sides with bobby pins. Look at that! Your friends will for sure want to know how you accomplish this look. Do you have long hair and want to tie it up for the summer? Here's how to accomplish this style. Tie a ponytail at the very top of your head. Twirl it around into a bun. Then fasten it down with bobby pins. Grab a scarf and twist it in front, like this. Then make a two-stranded braid and wrap that around your bun. Tuck it in at the front and enjoy the summer breeze in style. One bun is not enough? Make two and wow your friends with this look. Separate your hair into 3 even sections. Tie up the back part into a ponytail. Take the top layer on the right side and swing it over to the left, fastening it down. Then with the hair that's left, tie it all up into a braid. Do the same on the other side. With the front hair you haven't touched, separate it into 2, a bit on both sides. Tie up the loose hair with a braid, then tie it up into a loose loop like this. Make sure you do the same thing on the other side. Untie the ponytail at the back and enjoy the sophisticated simple updo. Looking for an elegant Barbie-worthy bun? Look no further. Tie your hair up into a ponytail. Then hook 2 fingers into your hair and slip your ponytail through. It should now look like this. Separate your hair into 3 sections and braid it. finish it off with an elastic. Then loop the braid around 3 times, tucking the end in. Wow, so simple! All ready for that Barbie party! And those were our Barbie beauty hacks. If you love these as much as we do, give us a big thumbs up for this video and don't forget to subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel. Catch you later!